Okay, question 15 was as follows. The function of f and g are defined by f of x is equal to x plus 9 over 2 and g of x is equal to x minus 2. Find A, the inverse of x, B, fg of x, and C, fg of negative 5. So let's start with question A, which is the inverse of f of x. So we're going to write this expression. Now remember, I've just gotten f of x is equal to, in that statement is the one I've used. Okay, so where there is fx, I've put y, yes. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get rid of the fraction. Remember, I want to make the inverse of f of x. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of 2. So which means I'm going to multiply both sides by 2. I want to get rid of the fraction, so I'm going to multiply both sides by 2. So which is going to be 2 multiplied by y, which is equal to, then I'm also going to multiply the other side, which is x plus 9 over 2 times 2. Okay, then when I multiply 2 multiplied by y, I'm going to get y, 2y. I'm going to get 2y, which is going to be equal to, then on the left side, on the right side, the denominator 2 and the 2 I've multiplied the fraction with, they are going to cancel each other. So it's going to be there and there. Then I'm going to remain with x plus 9, okay, on the right side. Once I've done this, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make x the subject of the formula. So I'm going to write 2y, then our 9 is going to cross the equal sign, go where there is 2y, so it's going to be minus 9, which is going to be equal to x. Okay, so now I've come up with this expression. Then the next thing I'm going to do is now I'm going to rewrite this so that the x is on the left side. So I'm just going to swap 2y minus 9 so that you don't get confused. 2y minus 9 and x, they will swap sides. So x will go to the left side and 2y minus 9 will come to the right side. They will maintain their values. Okay, just like that. Okay, so there is nothing I've done there. I haven't added, the statement is just the same. I've just swapped it so that you don't get confused, because we usually put the subject of the formula on the left side. So that's why I've done that. Then next, I'm going to write the inverse of x of f of x is equal to, so where there is y in that expression, I'm going to put x. So 2y will become 2x. Okay, 2y will become 2x. Then it will be 2x minus 9. Okay, so where there is y, I've just replaced it with x. That's what I've done, and that's what you need to do in an exam. Okay, where there was y, I just had to put x. That's all. Okay, so the inverse of f of x is 2x minus 9. Okay, now let's go to question B, fg of x. Okay, so what I'm going to do is now I'm going to write the same expression given in the statement, which is going to be over 2. Okay, f of x is equal to x plus 9 over 2. Okay, once I've done that, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to, and I want you to pay attention to that. Okay, that is the statement given in the statement. That is the formula given in the statement. So I'm going to change the color so that you don't get confused. Okay, now next I'm going to solve. I'm going to find fg of x. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write fg of x is equal to, so where there is x, I'm going to write that g of x, which is minus 2. Okay, x minus 2. So that's the one I've circled there. So where there is x, I'm going to write x minus 2. So I'm going to write x minus 2 plus 9. Okay, we don't have to forget about 9 because x minus 2 is standing for x. okay, which is the whole entire that over 2, okay. Then I'm going to say equal to, okay, I'm going to say equal to, then I'm going to work out like terms there on top. As you can see, -2 plus 9 are like terms, so we can add that. So when we add the negative and the positive, that means the number with the bigger number the answer will have the sign of the bigger number. So when you look at 2 and 9, 2 is bigger, so the answer will be positive. Then we are going to say 9 minus 2 will give us 7, so the answer will be x minus 7, or plus 7, sorry, x plus 7, because 9 is bigger than 2, that means the positive sign will be maintained, which will be over 2. Okay, so we are saying fg of x is equal to x plus 7 over 2. fg of x is equal to x plus 7 over 2. Okay, now we come to question C. Okay, question C, we ask to find fg of -5. Okay, so first of all, I want us to understand that the formula found for fg of x is equal to then I'm going to pick this one down, x plus 7 over 2. That is the formula for fgx. So I'm going to write is equal to x plus 7 over 2. Okay, then once I've done that, then we are going to replace x by -5. Okay, so I'm going to write that. Then where there is x, I'm going to put -5, which will be added to 7. Then it will be divided by 2. Okay, then once I've done that, then I'm going to say equal to. So when we say -5 plus 7 will give us +2, which will be divided by 2. Then 2 divided by 2 will give us 1. Okay, so the value of fg of -5 is 1. So these are the answers we are supposed to write in an exam. Okay, let's go to question number 16.